Here is the story, Who Will Bell the Cat?
First, listen to the audio as the lines appear. Then, read along as the words turn bold. You'll also see vocabulary words with meanings. Practice the highlighted dialogue lines to improve communication. At the end, try the MCQs to check your understanding. Now enjoy the story.
Once upon a time, a massive group of mice gathered for an emergency meeting. Their goal was simple: to figure out a way to outsmart their biggest, scariest enemy, the cat. The vibe in the room was chaotic, with everyone squeaking at once and tossing out random ideas. Suddenly, a young mouse stood up, puffed out his chest proudly, and gestured for silence. "Listen up, everyone. I have the ultimate plan, and I know it's going to solve our problem," he announced confidently. The crowd quieted down to listen to his proposal. We can all agree that our biggest danger is how sneaky the cat is, the young mouse explained enthusiastically. She creeps up on us without making a sound. But what if we had a warning system? I propose that we get a small bell and tie it with a ribbon right around the cat's neck. He looked around the room, grinning. That way, whenever she walks, the bell will jingle. We'll always hear her coming and have plenty of time to run away, he exclaimed triumphantly. The room erupted into cheers and high fives. The mice thought it was a brilliant, foolproof idea. But then, an old, wise mouse slowly stood up from the back of the room. The applause subsided as he looked around at the excited crowd. "That sounds like a beautiful plan," the old mouse remarked calmly. "But I have just one question. Who is actually going to volunteer to put the bell on the cat?" Instantly, the room went dead silent. The mice looked around at one another, but nobody spoke up. No one was brave enough to risk getting eaten. The old mouse shook his head and muttered grimly, "Exactly. It is very easy to suggest impossible solutions when you don't have to face the danger yourself."